so many people are interested in your love life. Oh, right? Bakit ang dami mga K-pop boy bands na nanililig sa'yo pag sinabi sino gusto nila, laging si Dara, kaya mayroong mga Chandara, mayroong Donghee, mayroong mga, there are a lot of fans on Twitter are asking about you and if you ever another K-pop guy or Korean actor. Ba't maraming nalilig sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam. Friends ko sila. 10 years na kami kakilala. Hindi ko alam kung bakit kami.
Ba't kayo biglang nalilig? Ganon. O, very showbiz na kasi talaga, di ba? Pag ganyan, di ba? At tapos, ano pa ba? Ngayon na nandito ka sa Pilipinas, what else do you want to do aside? Of course, you guys have your concert, you guys have your mga little surprises here and there. What else are you guys planning to do?
For me, gusto ko makita yung mga friends ko kasi tagal ko na sila yung pinakita.
What took you so long in coming back?
Nga, bakit kayo? Siyempre, sobrang busy kami, maraming ginagawa. Pero, lagi namin sinasabi, dapat punta talaga tayo sa Pilipinas para mag-show.
Your batchmate in Star Circle Quest, si Mary Nai, she's engaged now. What do you feel about that?
Congratulations, Neri. Nabasa ko yung article niya.
Congratulations! Okay, I had one question after training for years and years to reach the top of your K-pop hood. Has fame changed you?
No.
That's a very hard question.
Kasi diba there's certain things that you have to give up, of course, your privacy, there's certain things, the normalcy of life, right? Has changed because the whole world, all eyes are on you guys, so you have to be more careful. What are the things that you can't do anymore that you used to really enjoy doing?
Gusto ko maglakad sa labas. Pero,
Medyo mobile na ng mga tao.
Pero, yun namin na, pero, pinili pa rin namin yung buhay. At syempre, sobrang mahal ng mga fans, kaya okay lang.
But what are the things that you do for yourself? Because a lot of it is like, because the fans love this, but what are the things you love to do personally?
These days, gusto ko lang workout ako.
A workout, what? Nagawa siya sa Diba? Oo.
Gusto ko ba?
So, again, a lot of people want to be like you guys. Again, what is your advice for people who want to be, like you guys in the pop scene? A lot of Filipino singers, alam mo yan, di ba, Dara? Ano mga may bibigay mo sa kanilang advice?
Ako, sinabi namin nila kanina, never give up. Yun lang. Important.
Say never stop. Yeah. I think we all agree, right? Like, it's different for everyone. Like, someone could take only like a day, someone could take 10 years, we're all different. So, your time will come. So if you really believe in yourself,